Hello, good morning student. Welcome to our English class. Today we will take chapter 5 grammar, okay, that is articles. Student, we have studied articles from the beginning, primary section. Now we know what is article. Article, you know, an, the, no, it is very simple. No, it is not very simple, but we are thinking that we will put an or the, then it is very easy. No, it is not very easy. We have to go according to the sound of the alphabet of the word starting. So, it is difficult, do not think that it is very easy. So, we will study today article. What is article? In article, we have two type of article, that is definite and indefinite. So, first we will study indefinite article. So, use of the indefinite articles. The indefinite article a is used for the following. For what it is used? See, before a noun which refers to any member of a group and not a specific member. Okay? Now, example, I want to read a book. A book means one book. PU wants to read, see a film. A film. Okay? Now, indefinite article is used for only for before a countable noun, which we can count 1, 2, 3. Countable noun, you know, we have studied already in nouns, countable, uncountable. Okay. So, indefinite article is used in before a countable noun. Now, I will not teach what is noun. Okay, you should know what is noun. So, countable also you know. So, before a countable we use this no, a girl, a sheep, a basket means one girl. A girl means one girl. A ship, a basket, we say a, okay. Now, before a consonant or a vowel with consonant sound, see, with the, I told you that we have to use an with the sound of the consonant or a vowel. You know what is vowel? Yes, I know that you know, I am repeating. A, E, I, O, U. The alphabet A, E, I, O, U. So, these are vowels and the remaining alphabets are consonant. The remaining, you know, the remaining of the, if we leave the vowel, the remaining alphabet are consonant. So, we have to know the sound of the consonant or the vowel, then only we can do the exercise, or we can put a or an before the noun. So, now you see example, a library, L is coming in which this consonant, it is not coming in vowel. So, a library, L, library is coming in consonant, L. Now, a university, now you will say that A, E, I, O, U is coming in vowel, but why here it is A? So, see, you repeat this, university, U. So, which university? U. So, which sound is coming first? University, U. So, what? U is coming where? U is coming Y. Y-O-U, Y-U. So, Y is coming in consonant. So, it is put A. So, we have to be very careful student that we have to see the sound of the this sound of the word, first alphabet. First, which sound we have to recognize the sound. Not only that, we'll see L or we'll put A, then U, A, N. No. See, U is there. University, but sound is U. So, we are putting, it is coming in consonant. So, we are putting A university, U. Okay. So, do not think, I told you before that it is not very easy. We have to be very careful when we speak, when we write, when we do the exercise. We have to be very careful with this A and AN. Now, the indefinite article AN is also used to refer a noun specific person or a thing. When it is refer to a non-specific person or thing, noun, it is also used for the following. Now see, before noun that begins with a vowel sound, example, now AN we are doing, see the sound, apple. So, you know apple, apple, A is coming in vowel, A, E, I, O, U. So, we have put AN. Now, here orchard, an orchard. Now, oven, an oven, see O, this is O. So, oven, A, E, I, O, U, vowel. Okay. So, sound is oven, an oven. Okay. You are getting me? I hope you are getting. Now, before noun that begins with the consonant that has a vowel sound. Now, see, be careful here. An, MLA, an, MLA, MLA. Now, you will think M is coming in the consonant. No. See, MLA. What sound is coming? A. What sound is coming? A. A is coming where? In the vowel. So, MLA, A sound is coming, A, not M. Will say? No. MLA, A sound is coming. So, we will put here AN. Student, you have to be very careful. Now, NGO, again, AEIOU, AEIO, it is not in the coming in the vowel. It is, N is coming in the consonant, but see the sound, student. See the sound. N, NGO, N. Again, A sound. So, NGO. Okay. Okay. Now, we will go to next. Before that, before words that begins with a silent H. Silent H. So, you know many words, they are silent, some words are. Now, we will see only H. H is silent, but the pronunciation you see. Example, an higher, an we said, we don't say hover, we say no, it sounds very awkward. We say an not ha will not come, you also repeat with me, an see here, and what you say? Honest you say? No. What we say here? Honest. See, H is silent here. Here also H is silent. We say Then honest. We don't say honest. No, wrong. Honest is wrong. H is silent, so we say honest. Okay. So, N. Honest boy. And honor. We didn't say honor. So this is what the difficult, we don't think article is very easy. It is difficult, and if you will get, once you get, you will not forget. See, sound is more important. The first alphabet that pronunciation you have to pronounce very clearly, carefully, and what starting what sound is coming, that you have to catch. Okay. Now, use of definite article. Now, we are coming to the definite article. What it is? The. We somewhere we use the also, but now we will see today the. Now, the is called the definite article. It is used for the following. For what it is used? Before a specific noun. Specific noun means some special noun. We use the before the word. Okay. Example, I want to read the book on ancient. The book, only the book is there, then the book, but some special book, the Ramayana, the Gita, then we say we are putting the here, some special, not just book. Okay. The book which on ancient civilization. Okay. Now, before a superlative adjective, we have studied adjective, superlative, comparative and superlative degree we have done. So, for the most, okay, we have studied now, student, you remember adjective we have studied, I hope you remember. So, for the superlative adjective we put the most brilliant student, okay, the we are putting for the superlative, the greatest, the tallest. Okay. So, remember the we are using for the superlative degree. Before a noun that has been mentioned before. This is a dangerous area in the forest. The area has been cornered off by the forest official. Now, which forest? Which area? The area, not full forest, the area which is connoted by the officers. Now, next, before the noun means here we are using example, before a noun that has been mentioned before, it has to be mentioned before. Now, second, before the name of the musical instrument, all the musical instrument, you know, musical instrument, you know, no? So, all the musical instrument we use, before that we use the violin, the guitar, okay. So, like this it is. She is practicing the piano. See here, the piano. She is practicing the piano. The is used before the piano is an instrument, violin, guitar, these are the musical instrument. Now, when we refer to the member of a profession as a whole, see the police, the doctors, we say as a whole, we do not say only one single, no, full department it is, no, teachers, we say, no. So, the police have failed to act on time. The police, a police will not say, the police. When we talk about a group of people or a certain class. Now, next is when we talk about a group of people of a certain class. Example, the rich and the poor. Now, then to refer to the well-known building or the work of the art and music. See, the Taj, we say, no, the Taj, the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort. So, all the monuments and the buildings, we use the, okay. Before the name of the things, when there is only one of it, what it is? Only one, the sun, the moon, only one, okay. So, the sun, the moon, we say only one, sun is only one, moon is only one, no? Yes, no? Okay. So, the sun, the moon, so only one of it. Now, before proper noun which are the name of geographical features, means the Everest, the Atlantic Ocean, okay. Before the geographical features we say the Everest, okay. Now, omission of the article, when it is not used, article are not used at all, when it is not used, we will see here when it is not used. Articles are omitted in sentence in the following case, when the singular noun represent all the people or thing belonging to that particular class, will not use there any article, neither a nor an or the, we are not using, simple the noun. When the singular noun represent all the people or thing belonging to the particular class, we will see here, man proposes, God disposes, will not use here an, the, no, only simple, okay. Before names of material from which things are made, this ring is made of gold, will not say a gold, the gold, and gold, it is material, so will use only gold, okay. Now, with plural noun representing the entire class, suppose scientists, no, scientists, they are will not say, all the scientists will say scientists only, not but separate, okay. So, with plural noun representing the entire class, all the scientists will come, they are said to be scientists only. Now, before name of meal, disease, days, month and season. See, remember student, see, before names of meal, disease, days, month and season, we are not using any article, an or the, we are not using. So, this thing you have to remember student, all these points you have to remember, okay, you have to keep in mind. See example, I had idli for breakfast, then Rahul is suffering from chicken pox. So, all this example you see, only you remember this, if you remember meals, disease, days, month and season, in this we are not using any article, okay. You see, will you come back in January? We have not used any article yet, simple, okay. Now, before the name of the language and discipline, see, English is my favorite subject, English. See, if we say here the English, then the English, what the English will be counted as the British, the English like this, okay. So, if you are using only English, English is a language. So, English is my favorite subject. So, we have not used a, the and anything, okay. Now, while referring to one's relatives, example, uncle promised me to get me a copy of the book, uncle, here relatives will not use any article, okay. In news headlines and notice, in news headlines also you are listening to the news now, so you listen carefully what they are saying, English news, so you see how they are saying. So, see, in news headlines and notice we are not using any article. See, blue sweater found in canteen, here also color, for color also we are not using. The omission of article changes the meaning of the sentence. If we the omission of article change the meaning of the sentence, if we put, see, I told you that if I am telling the English, it will refer to what? British people. No. So the if you are not removing, if you are putting the article, then the meaning is changing. So we have to remember that when to use and when to not to use. Okay, article. See here, the poet and the painter are no more. The poet and the painter, the poet and the painter are no. The poet and the painter is no more. In the first sentence, the reception of the definite article indicates that the poet and the painter are two. They are two person. In the second sentence, the omission of the before the noun painter denotes that the poet and the painter refer to the same person. So we have to not to use. So I hope student you have understood. Now some exercise are there. Few exercise are there, that is very easy, that you have to do starting when you open the chapter. There is the exercise, you have to do that, and one more exercise is there, that also you have to do. You have to remove the, somewhere you have to add the article and somewhere you have to remove also. So first exercise I have done for you. This exercise I will be giving you in the PDF next Saturday. Next Saturday we will do verbs. Okay. So with that I will give you. Before that you have to do this as a homework. This is already done for you. The remaining exercise, student, you have to do. Okay. How much you are getting me, how much you are understanding me, that I also should know, no. So when you will do the exercise correctly, I will think that you are getting me, you understand me. Okay. Till then, thank you student. We will meet next, again we will meet Saturday with the new grammar chapter, that is verb. Okay. Goodbye. Take care of you. Thank you.